happened?
Is that water? You gonna eat it? Get it. Get the water. Boy, when you're older, your girlfriend's gonna love this little video. What do we have there with the water?
What happened? What happened?
They're gonna see a little wink wink. Is that what that was his mommy likes to so affectionately call it?
Alex.
Seems more comfortable now than the other one. So